to how to use Instagram API to process multiple messages for anyone. So the goal here is to be able to help Instagram professionals to manage their messages. So the aim basically is to make it possible for anybody with Instagram professional account to connect their account platform, and our platform is going to use AI to manage your messages. And I believe you know, get more customers or even close deals. So yeah, so I'm just trying to figure this out. I've been working on this. I think I worked on this for 2 months, and I stopped working on it. And I decided to work on other projects. But right now, I want to work on it, and hopefully, I'm going to figure this out today because I've tried some things, but they didn't really like work out very well. So I tried several Instagram and Facebook API, and they didn't really do the job. Though they worked, but they didn't really do the job. So and yeah, I'm so happy that Grok Deep Research is free, and also other great tools is out. So that's the reason why I want to tackle this challenge again, and hopefully we're gonna get this fixed today. So that's the reason why I'm live streaming. This is my first time, so bear with me. So bit off. Let's just share. Let's just share Chrome tab for now, and then I'm gonna share the other stuff. So okay. So Instagram messaging API platform. So okay, the Instagram platform allows you to build messaging solutions for Instagram professional accounts at scale. Instagram messaging is available for the following accounts: any Instagram professional account for business and any Instagram professional account for creator. Okay, so you can check the eligibility of the conversations. Let's see this. So, conversation API, right? Okay, there's a question on Facebook. This document explains how to get information about your Messenger and Instagram messaging composition. You can get a list of conversation from Facebook page or your professional account, a list of details, a list of messages with each conversation, a list of messages. Okay, details about each messaging, including when the message was sent and from who. Before you start this tutorial, since you have read the messenger platform overview. Okay. So yeah, common use get message that have been sent to your Instagram professional inbox from customers, receive and respond to customers' messages with text, media stories, and more. Send private reply to person who published a public post on your Instagram. So okay, how it works. Interesting. The Messenger platform allows you to have conversation with people interested in your business or creations. The Facebook page linked to your Instagram account facilitates this conversation using the Messenger platform. Okay, so interesting. So you have to use Facebook login. You have to use Facebook login. So once you have an once, so if you want to create a product like this, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Meta and create an app, and the app you're gonna choose Instagram. So you're gonna choose Instagram. Once you choose Instagram, try to enable Facebook login. So if you have enabled Facebook login, it's going to make your life like much easier because trust me, I spent weeks trying to figure this out. So so okay, let's continue. So what they're basically saying here is in order for this to work, it needs to like the end user needs to connect their Instagram account to their Facebook page. So the user has to create a Facebook page, then link an Instagram account to that Facebook page. So once they link the Instagram account to that Facebook page, then they can come to my platform or to your platform, and then they are going to get authenticated. But they should make sure they choose the page they actually like links the Instagram accounts. And I'm gonna like share this I'm going to share this so everything is going to make more sense. But let's just continue with this read. Okay, so when a person sends you Instagram the message will be delivered to your inbox and a webhook notification will be sent to your server. The messaging app has 24 hours to respond to this message. If more time is needed to allow a human agent to respond, you can add a tag to your response to send the message outside the standard 24-hour messaging window. So they have a context window of 24 hours. So once you pass that context window, you can actually like you have to add a tag. You have to have a tag to the message. But the most appropriate time to actually process Instagram messages is within the context window of 24 hours. Okay. So Instagram message offers variety of conversation entry points for people to start a conversation and message message types for your messaging app to respond with. Okay. So Instagram inbox. An Instagram professional account has a messaging inbox that allows you to control navigation and organize messages. Okay, we know this. So by default, the notifications are off. You can turn off notifications on the inbox settings. The inbox is organized into different categories: primary, general, and request here. And by default, all new conversations from followers will appear in the primary folder. Okay, again, all new conversations from the followers will appear in the primary folder. Conversations that existed before you implemented the Instagram messaging API. The Instagram messaging will be in the folders you have placed them within. So messages that you receive from people who are not followers or of who are not followers of your account are in request folder. So you can choose accept or deny this request and request messages aren't marked as seen until you accept them. Once a request is accepted, you can move the conversation to primary or general. Okay, all message requests that you answer using a third-party app will be moved to general. So all messages that is processed using a third-party client or server is going to be moved to the general folder automatically. So inbox limitations, yeah. So if you reply to a message in a third-party app, the conversation will be moved to general folder regardless of your settings configuration. I think this is for like security and this was security measures, I believe. And also inbox folders are not supported and messages delivered by the messenger platform do not include folder information that is shown in Instagram from Meta app inbox folder. So web notifications or messages via the API will not be considered as read. Okay, this makes sense. Only after a reply is sent will a message be considered as read. So if a user sends if a third party user sends a message that has an Instagram and bot enabled, so if the bot actually replied to the user, the message won't be marked as read except the user actually visits the account and then manually like reply or view the message. Only then will the message be considered as read. Okay, so business login for Instagram. Okay, so beginning November 9, 2022, we have introduced business login for Instagram. This login flow allows the person to convert their Instagram account to a professional account, create a Facebook for their business ad, and to connect that page to their Instagram account within the login flow. Okay, this this is interesting. Okay, Facebook login for business. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So hmm, okay, we'll visit that later. So oh, I was sharing the wrong screen, man. Sorry. Let's share this tab instead. So beginning November 9, 2022, we are introducing login for business login for Instagram. Allow this login flow allow a person to convert their Instagram professional account for a Facebook page for their business and to connect a page to Instagram to their Instagram professional account within the flow. Okay. So requirement. Let's assume you have read the messenger platform overview and implemented the needed components for sending and receiving messages and notifications. So the Instagram Graph API, this allows business and creators to manage their presence on Instagram using your app. The following permissions would be needed. Instagram basic, Instagram manage message, Instagram pages management metadata, and also page show list business management. Delete message, you will receive a web notification. So automated experience. Okay, so you can provide an escalation path for automated messaging experience using one of the following: a single app. You will create a custom inbox to receive or reply to messages from a person. The custom inbox is powered by the same messaging API and messaging app that provides automated experience. Okay, interesting. So multiple apps. Handover protocol, okay, allows you to pass the conversation from one app or inbox to another. For an example, one app would handle the conversation with an automated experience, and when needed, would pass the conversation to another app to continue the conversation with a human agent. Information informing users about your automated experience, okay. When required by applicable law, automated chat experience must disclose that the person is interacting with an automated service. When required by applicable law, automated chat experience must disclose that the person is interacting with an automated experience. Okay. At the beginning of any conversation or message thread, after a significant lapse of time, or when a chat moves from human interaction to automated experiences. Automated chat experiences that serve the following groups should pay clear attention to this requirement. Californian market or Californian user, German market or German users. Okay. Okay, so disclosure may include but are not limited. I am a page name, but you're interacting with an automated experience, you're talking to a bot, or I am automated chatbot. Okay, so this is only applicable if you're in California or Germany. And yeah, if you're actually targeting Californian markets or you're targeting German markets. So I'm not targeting any of those. So even we are not legally required, we recommend informing users their interactions on automated chat as best practice. Even we are not legally required. Okay, Instagram is still recommending this, but yeah, I'm not going to do this. So the end game here is to make the user actually believe that they're actually talking to a human agent. So yeah, I think that is going to be a spoiler alert. Okay, so human agents only you can provide an escalation path for human agent only messaging experience with custom inbox. Your messaging app must be able to receive messages sent by people rendered. Okay, so we have limitations here. An Instagram professional account can only converse with one customer per conversation. Group messaging is not supported. Okay. Conversation in the request folder that have not been active for 30 days will not be returned in the API. Okay, conversation in the request folder that have not been active, okay, for 30 days will not be only the URL for the shared media or post included in the webhooks notification when a customer sends a message with a share. Only the URL from the shared media post when the shared media or post is included in the web. Yeah, from the shared. Okay. An Instagram professional account for a creator must send an API request using this Instagram conversation API before the account can receive webhook. An Instagram professional account for a creator must send API requests using the Instagram Conversations API before the account can receive webhooks. Interesting. Okay. Apps with standard access can only interact with people who have enrolled on the app. Some features may not work properly until your app has been granted advanced access. People testing your app may have a role on your app, grant access to all required permissions, and have role on the Instagram professional account. Hmm. People testing your app must have a role on your app. People testing your app. Okay. Next step: set up webhooks for Instagram messaging. Okay. MetaWave for Instagram messaging. So MetaWave allows you to receive a real-time notification of changes to a specific object in Meta Social Graph. For example, you could send a notification when a person sends you a Facebook page or Instagram professional account to message webhooks. Notifications allow you to track incoming messages and message status, um, okay, updates. So webhooks notification also allows you to avoid rate limit that occur if you are querying the message platform able to track these changes. Yeah, I actually did this method before, but it wasn't like really effective, honestly. It crashed a lot of the time. It crashed a lot of the time, man. Okay, to successfully implement webhooks for Messenger or Instagram conversation, we need to create an endpoint on your server to receive and process your webhook notification JSON objects. So yeah, this is standard for like mostly the response sent by the webhook is usually in JSON. Yes, sir. Oh god. Configure the meta webhook product. Configure the meta webhook product in your app dashboard. Subscribe to meta web notifications you want to receive. Install messaging app on the Facebook page. Install your messaging app on the Facebook page linked to your business or your professional account. Install your messaging app, Facebook page. Okay. Before you start, we assume you have read and implemented the component needed for developing with Facebook. Yeah, we've read this. Configure your Node.js server. Your server must be able to process two types of HTTP request verification and yeah. So okay, we have our message sales certificates correctly configured already. And the store serves okay. Create an endpoint, webhook. Okay, okay. So I want to test something out. Okay. So I want to test something out really quickly. Holy shit, this shit works. Sorry for the angry. Okay, it's working right now. So I just come and got something. I just shout out holy shit, this shit work. Let me see. Let me confirm. That's good. Damn, this is working. All I just have to do was to enable the Messenger API. So this is working already. This is good. Um, Ian Cast. Yeah, we figured it out. Yes. Oh God. Okay, so let me just explain what happened right now. So I've tried different ways of receiving webhook events for messages, and because we are building like a platform that is going to handle, that's going to process messages from multiple creators, it means that the best approach we could use um, is activating the messenger, the messenger webhook. inside the Instagram app itself. So using Instagram webhook alone is not going to do the trick. So what you just need to do is you need to enable the Messenger API inside your Instagram. So inside your Instagram, I'm talking about the one on your Meta app. So you have to enable that. So once you enable that, you have to like put in your webhook and all this. So once you configure your webhook URL, then you'll be able to like receive webhook for any message that is sent to that creator's account. So and this is so good, honestly. I'm feeling pumped right now. Okay, so yeah, so this is going to be it. I just wanted to live stream this. I thought this is gonna like take me like a very long time, but I'm glad I'm gonna also keep you guys updated on